you, God, for one more day, for the air I breathe when I awake, for every step the Lord will guide, even when I feel like I might break. When pain knocks at my door and my faith begins to fade, your hand lifts me up with strength. You teach my heart to keep the faith. I don't deserve this care so true, but your grace has reached my life. In the dark valley and the desert, your presence was my guide. Thank you, God, for not giving up on me. When I failed, you stayed right here with me. Thank you for the peace that comes from heaven. Thank you for the blood of the faithful Lamb. Thank you, God, for loving me this way, for calling me your child and not giving up on me. Thank you for the life that you have given. My heart adores you, God. Thank you, God, for every rescue, for the doors that you have opened wide, for the days that I was crying and your arms were by my side. When the world tries to hold me back, your voice calls me to go beyond. I keep walking in your pathway, 'cause in you I'm always strong. When I'm weak, the Lord is strength. When I fall, the Lord lifts me up. My whole story changed direction the day your love found my heart. Thank you, God, for not giving up on me. When I failed, you stayed right here with me. Thank you for the peace that comes from heaven. Thank you for the blood of the faithful Lamb. Thank you, God, for loving me this way, for calling me your child even in my sin. Thank you for the life that you have given. My heart adores you, God. If I had not found you, I don't know where I'd be, but your grace has rescued me and changed my story. One day I lift my hands up high to say that I am yours. Everything I have is yours. Everything I am is yours. Everything I am is yours.